Good afternoon. My name is Brandy Beltas, and I'm a housing attorney. I practice in New York City, and I'm here to discuss with you the different types of housing court actions. The first is a holdover proceeding. This is when a landlord is attempting to evict a tenant. Typically, an eviction proceeding starts by a notice of termination that is served upon the tenant. The tenant is allotted a certain number of days to vacate the premises. If they fail to vacate the premises within those numbers of days, then the landlord would bring court action by a notice of petition, indicating the first court date for the parties to appear in court and come up with a resolution. The second type of housing court matter is a non-payment proceeding. This is when there's an issue of rent and whether rent is owed. The landlord would have to prove that how much rent is owed, and then the tenant has to prove that all rent has been paid. An issue that comes up during a non-payment proceeding is abatement. Abatement means that there is a repair that's needed to the apartment, and the landlord has allegedly failed to make that repair after being notified by the tenant, and therefore the court should provide the tenant a reduction in the amount of rent that's owed. The third type of case in landlord-tenant proceedings is an HP or housing part action. These cases are brought by tenants against landlords. In these types of cases, the tenant has notified the landlord that repair is needed to the apartment. The landlord allegedly fails to make the repair, and the tenant brings the case to court for a court to determine whether repair is necessary, and if it is, how much time the landlord has to make that repair. These are predicated according to how serious the repair is. If you have any additional questions about housing court, please feel free to give my office a call. Our phone number is 914-294-4844. Please be advised, this video is for information purposes only and in no way establishes an attorney-client relationship between my office and the viewer. Thanks for viewing.